Today I'm going to teach my dog how to turn on a PC. What do you have? What is that? Is that a CPU clamshell? Give it back. Go over there. Give it back. Give it back. This is Deuce, my dog. He's 2.5 years old. He's a mini Australian Shepherd, and he's never interacted with my computer. So whenever he's in the studio, he goes crazy like he is right now. So today the goal is to get him to press a button to turn on the PC. And I'll walk you through how I'm thinking. The existing power buttons on these PCs are so flush that they're pretty hard to press if you get the paw, especially fluffy ones like this. So to help him out a bit, I recently purchased some of, where are they? Some of these, which are extensions of power buttons. They're similar to that military style on and off switch that I've shown on this channel, but the difference is these are just buttons. So my goal is to take this, install it into the computer, and then get him to just paw a button. I'm actually not sure how feasible this is actually gonna be, but hey, we'll give it a shot. So as you can see, when you press this button, you can hear it. There's a little click, and that is an actuating point where it sends a signal to the power end of this switch, which goes over top of the motherboard pins. Good boy, good boy. All right, now we gotta figure out a way to modify this power button so that it's large enough for his paw to hit. Got this box of old junk. Maybe there's some solid looking button in here. I feel like it needs to be inside of a little box that he can press. There's a box, that could work. Just gonna carve a little hole right there. It's a little too shallow. All right, I found a bit of a bigger box. So my idea now is to be able to set up the switch here so that all he has to do is press on the entire surface area of the cover for it to actuate. Angle's too tight there. I think that should work. Let's try just rigging it up with some tape. There you go, that's solid. Now, hypothetically, if we close the box, we should be able to hear that same click. Oh yeah, okay, that totally works. This is gonna go one of two ways. He's just gonna start eating the box, or it's gonna go awesome. First, we'll add some flair. Think he can read that? Turns out I'm not that good at training dogs. So here's what we're gonna do instead. We're going to plug this box with our power switch into our computer, and then we're gonna try to get him just to wander and step on it to turn it on. You up for that, buddy? You up for that? So now we actually gotta hook this up to our computer, which honestly shouldn't be that bad. First, we just gotta make sure that this wire is exposed out one of these sides. We'll just do the back side here. Drive hole in the back, just like that. Our header can just slip right through. Now we have this outside the box, perfect. Now if we take our PC, all we have to do is swap out the existing power button header that's already plugged in. It's actually a whole block of it that I'm just going to unplug. So now we just need to take the power switch header from our box and plug it into the correct pins. Should be these two. Perfect. Wow. See, just like that, our dog PC power button is all set up, which means it's time for the ultimate test. Go ahead and plug our computer into the wall, move it down to the ground, set up a monitor so you can see if it's actually working. Plug that in. All right, Deuce, all your training has been leading up to this moment. Do you have what it takes to turn on the computer? Give me a high five. Yeah, you got this, let's go. Turn on the PC, turn on the PC, let's go, let's go. Turn on the PC, turn on the PC. So close. Try again. So close. So close. Down. Sit. Sit. Oh, so close. Up. Paw. Yeah. 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 Up. Whoa. Off. Off. Oh, just like that. It spins to the left. Off. He hit it with his little butt. Boy, good boy. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. As always, I'm Mr. Yeester, your tech tinkerer, and this is Deuce the dog, and we'll catch you in the next one. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh, good boy, good boy. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, what do you find now? What do you have now? What do you have now?